This time of year, there's a lot of potato peeling going on. And sure, you could just throw these potato peels in the garbage and be done with them. But you know what's even better? Turning them into a crispy little snack in the air fryer. It'll tide you over until dinner time and, satiate any hangry feelings. Let's get started. So start by giving the peels a little spray of oil. I use avocado oil, but any neutral flavored cooking oil you like will work. And a pinch of salt. Don't go crazy on the salt because the peels will shrink as they cook. You don't want them to get too salty. All right, now we'll put the potato peels into the air fryer basket. Nice single layer. And air fry at 400 degrees for 6 to 9 minutes. Stop once halfway through to flip the peels and, if necessary, give them another spray of oil. All right, let's see if they're ready to go. Oh yeah, looking crispy. Nice and light, crisp. Finish with another little pinch of salt. And that's all there is to it. These light and crispy potato peels, they are so tasty and great to tide you over until dinner time. Have them on their own or with a delicious dipping sauce like this onion and garlic salad dressing from my blog. You can find the complete recipe at Kadri'sKitchen.com.